Yoga can help you achieve beautiful, glowing skin by improving blood circulation, reducing stress, detoxifying the body, and balancing hormones. Here are some of the best yoga poses for glowing skin. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Increases blood flow to the face. Helps flush out toxins. Promotes youthful, radiant skin. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Enhances oxygen supply to skin cells. Reduces stress and fights acne, gives a natural glow. Standing forward bend. Improves blood circulation to the face. Helps reduce wrinkles and dullness. Relieves stress, which is a major cause of skin issues. Matsyasana, fish pose. Helps detoxify the body. Tones the facial muscles. Reduces puffiness and fine lines. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Boosts blood flow to the face. Increases skin elasticity. Reduces acne and breakouts. Kapalabhati Pranayama, skull shining breathing. Improves oxygen supply to the blood. Reduces pigmentation and dullness. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Balances hormones and improves skin texture. Prevents breakouts and signs of aging. Stay hydrated. Eat a healthy diet rich in antioxidants. Maintain a regular skincare routine. Get enough sleep. Would you like a guided yoga routine for beautiful skin?